Hi Virgos, this is your career reading for the month of November. I'm going to look at the energies that are around you, and these cards in the form of the energies are in the form of tarot cards. They have come out for you. I'll be explaining each card, which will be connecting with your career, job, money, finance, your overall living situation, house, or property acquisition. So I'll talk about all that and your overall well-being. So before I start this reading, I'll be reading out a card from the Lenormand. The card that has come out for you is number 20, good card. The garden card has come out for you. So this will give you an overall picture of your success and money situation and overall feeling. So the card is saying advice is put more courage and enthusiasm into what you do and you will obtain excellent results. So the month is the month for you is saying that all your energy is concentrated on your work. You have a series of brilliant plans just waiting to be put into practice. A part of the month will be dedicated to rest with a relaxing holiday that puts you back in shape. So, good news for you. Regarding success, it is saying commitment in study and work have brought you an enviable position. Business that is already underway is making profits. You can take a nice holiday. A master stroke, discovery, or invention will change your life. Look for a sponsor. Well done. The initiative you started will go a long way. That is the result. So the money situation is looking good as well. It is saying economic harmony due to a winning initiative. After a breakdown, maybe recovery is slow, but it is sure. A surprise holiday can be there. Good business will solve your financial worries. So overall, very good card for you. Some celebrations on the card. So let's see what's happening. What is the thought? What is the thought process right now? The crowning energy. Two of Wands. You are planning, prospecting for expansion of your career. You want to connect to the world. You want to achieve greater things in life. You want to step out of your comfort zone. You are contemplating that. You are contemplating stepping out of your comfort zone. It's a long time that you have been sitting and thinking. So now what you are going to do is to take that step to go towards the world. That is what I am seeing, because I see the Page of Pentacles. People who want to step out from their countries, go towards another country. People who want to migrate to some other place to get good work. People who want to do studies or want to do business or something globally, they can do they will be trying to achieve that because you have started seeing potential. Rather, you are a bit obsessed about it. Some of you are a bit obsessed, or there are blocks on your path. So you are making out that you are thinking about those blocks all the time, and it is causing some problem in your plans. So basically there are blocks on your path. You have a desire to achieve something, start something from scratch, begin something in your career. There is potential, but there is this devil energy of obsessing about the negative results of that. So there is lot of obsession regarding that. What I see is in the past. So let me see the past. What was happening in the past in your career? The Emperor is here. So you did something to take back your power. You did something to organize yourself. You did something to discipline yourself to get the results. Some of you joined some organization. Some of you started studying, or some of you were under some boss or someone. So you made a choice. You made a choice to go towards organizing your situation. So organization, within this organizing mode, within this consolidation mode, a bit of anxiety was there. The Emperor is usually thinking about how to expand. So that expansion mode was in your mind, and it made you take up a choice. So a choice was made, or a decision was made by you to go towards something, to take back your power, become stronger. So that kind of decision, life altering decision, was made, and you are working on that. You are deeply thinking about this idea. There is a lot of ambition, and this ambition is being wisely calculated by you at this moment. So there is kind of waiting period here, because the Two of Wands is waiting as well, planning, waiting, thinking to fructify something. In between, you are being wise. You are seeking wisdom from yourself, you are seeking wisdom from others, and you are trying to shine that inner light and organize that choice that you have made. So the past looks like that. So taking back power and control is the main key event which has happened in the past. So now what's happening? The Page of Pentacles has come again. So you are starting to communicate. You are starting to spread the word. You have started something. You are looking forward to it, but there is a bit of a distance between your work and its publication. Maybe some of you are writing a book, so the publication has not happened, but you are putting in your work. You are communicating, spreading, doing marketing, maybe some of you. So if we take an example of a book, so that's the situation you are in. So there will be motivation, good news about it. These are all pages, these are messengers, these are thoughts, these are motivations which are happening in your life. But you are finding yourself in sometimes totally in strife or blocked situation, or something or the other comes and stops you on your path. There is competition, there is jealousy, envy, there are disturbances, there are disruptions around you. So this is a 5 number thing. This is 5 of Wands. This comes to us when there is a delay in the process. So these things come to us to deflect us, but this is your test, and this is at this time your steadfastness, not giving in to anything else, will provide you with success. That is what I want to tell you. So 6 of Swords is telling me, as the clarifier of this row, that you will be able to be taken out of stressful situation, problematic situation. So currently you are in a period of putting that past baggage behind, the trauma behind, the problem behind, the rejections behind, and go towards a situation of clear, calmer, conducive environment to work and to be in happiness. Some of you are getting a job. So moving on from a bad situation to a good situation in your career is happening. Getting out of financial stress is happening for some of you. Finding new ideas, good news coming. Yes, things are going to work out, but there are problems, but you are going to have a win over that. You are going to put that behind and go towards something which will give you your peace. So what's coming to you in the future, in November, in the whole month of November? You will be able to manifest your dreams. You will be able to execute what you have thought about. So execution energy, communication energy, expression energy, using your talent energy is coming in. So you will be on top of something. Magically things will happen for you. Your fate, your destiny will open up, and you will start working with your fate, your destiny. So you will chip in, you will start working, you will see how magically you are spinning out words, you are expressing yourself. So some kind of interview, some kind of project, something is coming to you which is going to be good. The result will be good, because I see the victory card with Magician. So with your magical energies, you are going to have a win over your odds. So some of you getting a promotion, some of you getting a new job, some of you launching a new business. So, because there is double victory card, there is the Chariot card. So these are all victory cards. So you are getting Magician, double victory, and the chariot. So amazing cards, which is telling me that forward movement, will, determination, getting over your odds, getting public recognition, some of you, acknowledgement by people, acknowledgement by higher institution, bigger institution, by big companies. These things are going to happen for you. So take it as it resonates. Some of you must be freelancers, some of you. So whatever you have thought of, whatever is your next target, you are going to have a victory over that. That is what I mean to say. I just give examples of companies or other things. It's just example. What you are going through in your life is you could be a housewife, not connected to a job, but this means that victory over your odds, victory over the less money situation, and you will find yourself in abundance. You will find yourself appreciated by your spouse or your children. So there will be abundance of such kind as well. There can be abundance for a student, there can be scholarships, there can be grants, there can be opportunity to study, getting admission. So these all are small victories in our career, in our lives, which make our life more abundant. So you are going to fructify your wishes in this month of November. There is going to be a double victory. There is going to be the chariot, which will give you the energy of moving forward towards a destination and becoming the winner in the end. So you are going to win some situation. That situation is going to balance your pentacles. So some of you are getting a loan, some of you are getting a grant, some of you are getting help from some friend or father, mother, anybody, brother. Your money situation is going to look all right. You will be able to sell a house, buy a house, new assets will be acquired, or old assets will be sold off, which will give you money profit. So that's what I am seeing. So universe will become charitable, and you will also give in something to people. So reciprocation of charities will happen. And as you go forward, I see your outcome as something good. It is celebratory. It will bring in some kind of celebration. You will feel a kind of healing in your career. Something will be achieved. A simple letter from someone will give you happiness. A simple offer from someone will give you happiness and worthiness. So this will be the situation which is coming to you in the month of November, or outside November in the month of December. That's the future. Page of Cups, some small offer, but an offer that will bring in freshness in your life. You will feel that you are coming out of your Five of Swords energy. It is not all that bad. You are already out of a betrayal period. You are already out of a loss-making situation, and new situations are developing. New offers are being made. Some of you went through losses. Some of you are going through losses. That's why the devil is on your mind, obsessed about it, thinking about it. So this loss making situation, maybe problem in job, not getting the promotion, maybe being fired, not there is no renewal of contract or something like that, will be replaced by an energy of getting over something, getting a new job, bringing the balances in finances. That is going to happen. So strength and the Ace of Sword is happening for you. So with power, with your patience, you are going to go towards illumination of your career path. You will find that path that you have to take. If you were at the crossroads, like the Two of Wands, if you were at the crossroads, you are going to get that one single thing that you need to do. So your calling is coming. The Ace of Swords, epiphany. You will realize what you need to do in the near future. You will know it. So lot of strength and power is here for you in the upcoming period. Angels are saying progress will take place. Eight of Wands, journeys, fast journeys, progress, more information, overwhelming information, proposals are going to come in, which will take you forward towards a new beginning. That is what I see. New innovation, new motivation, new work, new passion that is going to come in. There is the energy of two kings, mature kings. Both are yours. So angels are asking you to be the logical consolidating king, air king, who makes logical decisions not with emotions, and the king of cups when required, that is, absolutely trying to balance your emotions so that you are stoic in this journey. That is, strength. So strength and logic is required in the upcoming period. Do self improvement. Judgment situation is here. Do self improvement in terms of your career. Look at your career, see if it is stagnating, see if it cannot grow, see if your ambitions are correct, and then make a decision. Be logical, be truthful to yourself as well, and understand if you don't have some capability, if you don't have some way of getting towards that goal. So you need to understand your path, you need to understand everything, and then make a decision in your life. That's what angels are telling you. But your situation is going to look up for sure. That's what I am seeing. So emperor energy is, energy of success, energy of it came twice as well. So emperor clarified by emperor. So you are going to take back your power, you are going to plan out, you are going to proceed gradually towards your path of progress. You will have that structure, you'll be creating that structure, order, boundary to go forward towards your goals. That's what I am seeing. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through problems in their career or any other situation in their life, they can contact me for a personal reading. I give these readings to people within the week. Every day almost I do one or two readings. So these are prepaid and pre-booked and pre-slotted. So you need to make contact with me if you are really serious, otherwise there is no need. And these are paid readings, so you must understand and then come to me. And people who are missing out my readings, please do like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my readings. So that's it. Bye bye.